Guys, I hope you are doing great. In this video I'm going to show you the best money making app. In this app all you need is to just take pictures and you are going to get paid. Yes, you take pictures and they will pay you for those pictures that you are going to take. They will tell you go in such and such a place, you take pictures, or they will tell you sometimes to take pictures of yourself. And this app I'm talking about, anybody can use it, as long even if you're a beginner, a mom, anybody, as long as you have a phone, you can use it on your phone and things are going to be easy for you and you earn some extra cash. So if that's what you are looking for, easy ways to make money online, so let's get into this video so that I can show you how you are going to use this money making app and you start earning money by only taking pictures. If you want, you can fill in some surveys, but that's optional. But if you want, you can stick to taking pictures and you get paid. Let's get into the video. So guys, I've turned on my screen recording. I'm going to show you this app, and this app is called Premises. So I'll go there and click on it in my phone. So this is how the app looks like. But if you are like, how do I sign up? If you want to sign up, you will need an email address and a password, and I'm going to leave a link to this app in the description below. So when you use my link, you earn some bonus for earning up. And as I told you guys, you can either do surveys or you can just go ahead and take pictures. So if you're like, I want to do surveys, doing surveys is not difficult. Their surveys are easy, but surveys are not going to pay you big like taking pictures. Taking pictures pay bigger than doing surveys. But if you're like, you're a busy mom like me, you can still use surveys and earn. Yes, so let us start with the surveys, then after I'll walk you how you can take these pictures and start earning right away. And their payment threshold is not high and you can reach it very quickly. So guys, let me show you. So if I want like to take these surveys, there are also unpaid tasks that if you want you can do them, but they are also about taking photos. And these unpaid tasks, it's like a guideline, like a kind of a little training they'll give you to training, so that you know you'll be doing the right thing and you get paid, instead of doing the wrong thing and you don't get paid even after investing in your time. I would advise that you take also these tasks which are unpaid, like for a start, so that you can know what you are doing. So let us say you want to fill this survey, then you will come here where it says surveys, and their surveys are always there, they are not empty. And another thing that I like about them is that you can't like do a survey and say like you've wasted your time, like on other survey platforms, maybe 1 minute answering a survey and they tell you don't qualify. No, that one, it's not like that. So if you say you want to do this survey which is about governance, then you go ahead and read through the questions. They'll tell the survey takes to 3 to 4 minutes, but it doesn't take even up to much. So you click here where it says start, you start answering these surveys. So they'll be asking you questions like, how much do you agree with the following statement? Currently, the national government enables citizens to have a satisfactory stand for living. So you can come here and click whatever appeals to you, if it's like strongly agree or neither agree or disagree. It depends on you, it depends on the place where you are. And this app is like in a lot of countries. Yes, over 140 countries, because as I'm recording this video, I'm in Turkey and I'm able also to access this app. So they are in over 140 countries. So it's 140 countries are a lot of countries. You never know, maybe also your country is there and you can be helping to change the world by answering this survey. So let me say in my case, I'll say agree, then it will bring you the next question. Then let me say on this next question, you go ahead, you'll be reading, then you can say strongly agree or neither agree to agree. It depends on you. They'll ask you, over the past 5 years, how much has the national government improved in its overall delivery of the public services? You can say either improved, neither improved, or no, you can put it declined or improved. It depends on what appeals to you and your government, like you are helping them change the world one step at a time, but they are using your opinion. So they will ask you, over the past 5 years, how much has your local government improved in its overall delivery? So you can click on what applies to you and you click next. So you'll be clicking like that you read through and you answer the question that they have asked you. Yes, if you answer anyhow, sometimes they can reject your answer. So you're supposed to be careful and take that little time to read through. So you go ahead here and read that question there. You can put improved according to how you understand it. Then you go ahead answering those questions up to when you reach submit. So when you reach submit, you'll be submitting in your survey, and they will review it and they will credit the money in your account in this app. Yes, so let me walk you how up to when this survey is finished. You answer like that. You read through and answer. You read through and answer. You read through and answer. You read the question there, like how much do you agree with the following statement? Currently the government is reducing organized crime in a satisfactory manner. Yes, so you can say either agree or neither agree, so it depends on you what your government is doing. Or you can put disagree, yes, like that, up to when the survey finishes. Then you click here where it says submit. Then you submit your survey and they will tell you, are you sure you will not be able to change your answer once you submit? Yes, so if you want to change some answers, you can click cancel. But if you feel like you are awkward with what you've answered, then you click OK and the answer will go there. They will review it and they'll put your money in your account. Then you click OK and they will tell you nice job. Then after doing that, they will show you other surveys that you will have you can do. Yes, you can do this one about internet and mobile phones, this one about bridges. So let me show you this one where you take pictures. You come click here and they are going to give you the instructions of the pictures that they want you to take. So this is how it reads: vehicle bridges in your area. So if you're like you have bridges in your area, you can go ahead and do that. So they are telling you photos must be clear in a bright light condition and of the requested subject. So you are supposed to take your photos clear. Maybe you are even supposed to clean your camera so that you don't go search for these photos, search for the bridge, take the photos and they reject them. No. So what you're supposed to do, you read through the instruction. They're telling you on this one, you're supposed to go take a few photos about a bridge. And when you take those few photos, you're supposed to answer them questions. So if I want to start this survey, then you click where it says start and you can go there and start and take pictures of this and they will start paying you. So you will come here, click this and you click allow and you start recording with your camera and your mic. But me, I'm not going to click allow because I'm not going to take these pictures. Yes, so I just wanted to show you guys. And you can, you want to continue, click here continue. They are giving a duration of 4 hours in order to complete this. Yes, if you'll be like you complete it when 4 hours have passed, then you will not be created. So you're supposed to do it within that period. What I would suggest, before you click that you want to take these pictures, you should find the bridge already, or what the task is about. Sometimes they'll be telling you go take a pictures about a kiosk in your local area or pictures about a supermarket. So it depends on you which tasks can you access. Don't agree to a task that you can't access. Me, I'm not going to do it. I'll click and save because I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to move out right now. So you can you can go ahead and unsave that task. Yes, so you can go ahead and do different tasks and that's how you're going to get paid, or you stick to these lower ones which are about answering surveys. So it depends on you, but if you want to get bigger or much or unmatched, then you take pictures pay higher than taking surveys. So guys, I'm going to show you that me too, I'm earning. Don't say she's talking but she's not. I'm going to show you, if you want to know how your earnings are, how much you have in this app, then you come here and click where it says wallet. So I'll click there where it says wallet. So guys, as you can see, I'm earning And this task that I did, because I wasn't reading, I just clicking, like you are just clicking. You don't read through, they'll reject that your task, or they'll reject your survey. So you are supposed to read through and answer very well. So as you can see, guys, I am earning already and I'm ready to cash out, but I don't want to cash out yet. But if in the future, if you want, you can comment that I can do a video when I'm cashing out. So you can see I am earning already and I'm ready to cash out if I want to cash out. And you are asking yourself, if I want to cash out, how am I going to get paid? These are the payment options they have. You can get paid via mobile top up, yes, and down there they'll be putting you how much you need for you to cash out. Then you can also get paid via Bitcoin. Yes, and another payment method that I've seen, you can also cash out using your bank account. They can send money to your bank. So guys, that's what I had for you. If you feel like this video has been helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this channel. On this channel is called Earn with Gloria. I talk about different ways on how to make money online. See you in the next video. I'm going to link a video up there that is going to show you other best money making apps. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.